Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to unpack something that pretty much every single university student stresses about at some point: how to generate income while balancing a massively heavy academic load. I mean, if you've ever looked at your bank account after buying a single, ridiculously overpriced textbook and felt a wave of pure panic, well, this explainer is absolutely built for you. We're breaking down the ultimate flexible earning strategies derived directly from some really comprehensive financial data and research. We're basically going to build you a clear, visual roadmap so you can find the perfect earning strategy that actually fits your unique student life. Let's get into it. Okay, let's dive right into this. Need cash, but taking classes? It's the classic age-old student dilemma, right? You absolutely need cash to survive, whether you're trying to pay down student loans, manage some credit card debt, or, just afford late-night pizza. But you're also taking a full load of classes. Your schedule is already packed with lectures, seminars, study sessions, and exams. You have effectively zero time to spare for a traditional 9 to 5 or even a rigid part-time job. But good news, there is a major way around this friction point. Our sources highlight 26 totally flexible ways to make money in college without dropping classes. And the absolute key phrase here, our main focus for today, is without dropping classes. The data shows that you literally do not have to sacrifice your academic progress just to keep your bank account afloat. There are specific, targeted methods designed specifically to work around a dense collegiate schedule. So the crucial point is how we categorize these opportunities. To make everything digestible, we've organized them into a time investment scale: quick money, side gigs, and start a business. This structure is brilliant because it meets you exactly where you are. Whether you have 10 minutes, 10 hours, or 10 weekends to spare, there is a dedicated path for you. Let's start with level 1 on our scale: quick money, the immediate need. This entire category is for the student who just realized they're short for this week's groceries or a Friday night out, and they need fast cash right now. There's no time for an interview, no time for onboarding, and absolutely zero formal job commitment required. It is all about rapid turnarounds. To illustrate just how robust this quick money category is, our research shows how to make money without a job. There are actually 56 distinct creative avenues to generate cash without ever having to fill out a standard W-2 employment application. We're talking about creative avenues here, like participating in clinical trials right there on campus, or testing websites from your laptop while hanging out in the student union, things that generate cash immediately. It fundamentally redefines what it means to go to work when you're a full-time student. But, when we say quick money, how quick are we actually talking? Because when you're running between the library and a chemistry lab, time is hands down your most precious, scarce asset. Well, the data proves you can leverage just a single solitary spare hour to generate immediate cash. There are 16 ways that work to make money in 1 hour. That means if a professor cancels a lecture last minute, or if you finish an exam early, you can use that exact 60-minute window to boost your income. You could be filling out targeted online surveys, doing quick micro-freelance tasks, or even selling your meticulously typed class notes. You don't need a whole afternoon. You just need 1 hour. Now, if you have a bit more time, let's step up to level 2, side gigs, the steady hustle. This category is for students who have slightly more flexibility in their schedule. Maybe you have your weekends completely free, or a predictable block of time every Tuesday and Thursday evening. You aren't just looking for an emergency $20 anymore. You want a consistent, recurring stream of extra income that still totally respects your primary job as a student. The landscape for easy side money is incredibly vast right now. Our sources list 40+ ways to make extra money in 2026 alone. This really shows that the gig economy isn't just alive and well, it is highly adaptable to the collegiate lifestyle. You aren't pigeonholed into just one type of side gig. You have a massive menu of over 40 options, things like weekend dog walking, freelance writing, or campus brand ambassadorships that you can mix and match to fit your skills and your exact study schedule. To narrow down those options, we really have to look at the assets you already possess. Got a car? It instantly connects you with the resources sitting right outside your dorm or apartment. If you have a vehicle, you immediately unlock a very specific, highly lucrative subset of flexible side gigs. It's kind of a choose-your-own-adventure here. Turn your car into a moneymaker versus sell online on the best platforms. On one hand, if you do have a car, your vehicle becomes your mobile office for delivery apps or ride shares, letting you work purely on your own time.
On the other hand, if you don't have a car, no problem. You can match physical items like your old textbooks, vintage clothes, or electronics you no longer use with the perfect online platform like eBay or Depop. Both options offer phenomenal flexibility. They're just utilizing completely different starting assets.
Finally, we shift the explainer to the most involved category on our time investment scale. Level 3, start a business, the long game. This path is perfectly tailored for those ambitious students who have a little bit more bandwidth. Maybe you have a lighter course load this semester, and you're looking to build something sustainable. It's not just about immediate cash anymore. It's about creating a potentially scalable income stream that could actually outlast your university years. And there's no shortage of ideas here. We're looking at the 49 best home business ideas for 2026. Now, the key word here is home, or in a student's case, a cramped dorm room or a shared off-campus apartment. You don't need commercial real estate or massive overhead to start a business anymore. There are dozens of legitimate enterprises, like launching a niche tutoring service, a graphic design hustle, or even a drop shipping store that you can launch right from the very desk where you write your term papers. This brilliantly illustrates the ultimate advantage of this entire category: how to make money from home in 2026. Operating a digital business from your own living space offers the absolute highest level of flexibility. You are essentially your own boss. You can work on your business at 2 a.m. after finishing a grueling study session, or at 6 a.m. before an early lecture. You completely control the schedule, which is pretty much the holy grail for a busy university student trying to make a living. So, we've covered a tremendous amount of ground today, looking at the pure data and opportunities across 3 very distinct levels of commitment. From finding quick ways to make money in a single spare hour, to choosing from dozens of steady side gigs, all the way up to launching a literal home business. The data proves that the opportunities are there no matter how packed your syllabus is. So I'll leave you with this crucial question to think about. Based on your current bandwidth, your resources, and your goals, which path fits your study schedule? It's time to take that first step. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I can't wait to guide you through our next topic.